Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.3.12 Input Finish Door Base Inside Sheet Price. There is a common layout or structure to the cost workup sheets. The Finish category on Format 2 cost workup sheets have 150 rows. Finishes start at row 212 with Finish Glass Cover Paint and ends at row 361 with Finish Fabricator Wood Item. Just like in materials, in which the glass rows 27 through 60 are followed by substrate rows 61 through 83, the first group of finishes, which is only 2 rows, are glass finish, followed by 22 rows of substrate finish. On the table's definitions and abbreviations sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure or layout. Row 225 is FINISHSBRTISSHEET, which means Finish Substrate Inside Sheet. Enter $1.65 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell T225. Even though the substrate is melamine, this inside sheet is included to prevent the door from warping as a result of the plastic laminate on the outside surface. This procedure may be called balancing or stabilizing. When the price is entered in cell T225, the total material cost, $7.22, for that material is calculated in cell X225. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.3.12 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.3.13.